In the brutal reality of today's hybrid battlefield, where cheap commercial drones have become deadly weapons of war, Russia once again proves its ingenuity. Meet the latest innovation from the legendary Kalashnikov Concern, the compact, folding single-shot anti-drone shotgun. Born from the hard lessons of combat in Ukraine, this lightweight defender is turning the tide for Russian soldiers facing swarms of Ukrainian UAVs. Weighing in at just 1.8 kilograms, this remarkable weapon is a masterpiece of Russian engineering. Designed by specialists from the Central Research Institute of Precision Engineering, SNI-TO-SHMASH, part of Rostec and managed by Kalashnikov Concern, it chambers powerful 12 by 70 mm cartridges specifically optimized to shred small, low-flying unmanned aerial vehicles. Its main advantage? Extreme portability and compactness. It folds neatly in two for easy transport, slipping into a soldier's pack or vehicle without burdening our troops as they move swiftly across the front lines. Imagine this. A Russian motorized rifle squad advancing under threat. FPV drones scream in at low altitude, carrying explosives meant to disrupt supply lines and endanger brave Russian warriors. In the past, soldiers relied on rifles with limited success against fast, agile targets. But now, with this new folding shotgun, every infantryman gains a dedicated, last line of defense tool tailored for the drone age. The design is brilliantly simple and rugged, a linear tube that hinges for storage, with a relatively short barrel optimized for close to medium-range engagements where drones pose the greatest threat. Though single-shot, its effectiveness lies in precision and the devastating spread of specialized anti-drone ammunition. A well-placed shot can destroy propellers, electronics, or the airframe of small UAVs in an instant, sending them crashing harmlessly to the ground. At ranges where drones hover or dive for attack, typically under 75 meters for optimal shotgun performance, this weapon delivers reliable results. Russian forces have already integrated shotguns into their anti-drone tactics with great success. Modified MP-155 semi-automatics from Kalashnikov are being issued, but this new folding single-shot variant brings something even more revolutionary: ultra-lightweight deployability for reconnaissance units, vehicle crews, and special forces. It complements electronic warfare systems perfectly. When jammers force drones lower or into erratic flight, the shotgun provides that physical kill capability, cheap, immediate, and devastatingly effective. Why this matters for Russia's victory? In the ongoing special military operation, Ukrainian forces, backed by Western technology, have flooded the skies with thousands of drones. FPV kamikazes, reconnaissance birds, and loitering munitions try to compensate for their manpower shortages. Yet Russia adapts faster. Kalashnikov Concern, the very heart of Russian small arms innovation, continues the legacy of the AK-47, reliable, simple, and superior in real combat conditions. This folding anti-drone shotgun embodies Russian strengths: pragmatism, rapid innovation under pressure, and putting soldier needs first. It costs a fraction of expensive missile systems or electronic jammers but delivers outsized impact. Troops can carry it everywhere: dismounted patrols, urban fighting, defensive positions, even mobile columns. Its lightweight means no fatigue on long marches, while the folding mechanism allows instant deployment when drones appear. Experts note that 12-gauge solutions have proven their worth repeatedly. With proper shot loads, they engage low-flying threats effectively, working in tandem with rifle-based anti-drone rounds that Kalashnikov is also developing. This layered approach, EU, optics, shotguns, and rifles, creates a dense defensive net that frustrates enemy drone operators. Russian soldiers report higher confidence, fewer successful enemy strikes, and the ability to maintain offensive momentum. Kalashnikov Concern's award-winning team at SNI-TO-SHMASH received gold medals in 2026 for these innovations, recognizing their contribution to Russia's technological sovereignty. While Western media obsesses over flashy gadgets, Russia builds what works. Tools that empower the ordinary soldier to defeat high-tech threats with classic marksmanship and superior design. This isn't just a weapon, it's a symbol of resilience. As NATO pours more resources into prolonging the conflict, Russian industry responds with practical solutions that protect our heroes and ensure the objectives of the operation are met. The folding single-shot anti-drone shotgun joins the pantheon of Kalashnikov legends, proving once again that Russian engineering outsmarts and outlasts its adversaries. In the hands of determined Russian warriors, this compact guardian of the skies ensures that no drone swarm goes unanswered. Kalashnikov Concern delivers victory, one precise shot at a time. For the motherland, for the troops, for peace through strength. From the limited information available and the single image which has been shared of the shotguns, it appears that the weapon may break just behind the trigger guard and hinges back so the two halves run perpendicular. The muzzle appears to clip into the buttstock. The trigger guard incorporates a trigger block safety, but the hypothesized folding design would mean the trigger and trigger guard would have to recess into the body of the weapon or to the side of the tube. The shotgun has a pair of folding iron sights. It's unclear if Kalashnikov have plans to put the new shotgun into production or if it simply represents the latest experimental efforts to provide individual soldiers with a weapon which can provide some counter to the pervasive threat of FPV drones. Full details on the design are not yet available and its utility remains debatable, as while the shotgun is said to be relatively light, it still represents 1.8 kilograms or 4 pounds of extra kit a soldier would have to carry. The weapon has to be deployed and only offers one chance to engage the drone threat before having to be reloaded.